All right, folks, this is what I did. So these nuts came off of my front struts on the 63 Galaxy. I replaced them with some Granada front spindles, and they were just messed up, man. So castle nuts, hard to come by. I got lucky I had some off this old thing. I'm trying to remember what the heck they call these. But anyway, I'm not a car mechanic. I'm just a dude with a car. So these threads were all messed up. They were messed up. This is the nut on the top. So I made a thread chaser, a thread cleaner. All I did was take a number 8 hardened steel nut and cut some grooves into it with my right angle grinder right here. Hit it with the right angle grinder. And let me tell you, man, it did the trick. Cleaned it all up. Now, it ain't perfect, but I know this nut right here was 42 cents, and they were trying to charge me $50 for a thread chaser. Okay? For the nut itself, I didn't end up having to make one. I took this off. I just said, screw it. I took the one off of here and put it on there, but if I had to clean this nut up right here, you could see in there, it's kind of a little shaky on them threads. All you got to do, come in here, cut these notches in this, just like this one. This is the bigger one, the 5/8 for the lower. And shoot, man, it'll clean them threads right up on that nut. That nut right there on the lower, let me show you where this is at. It's the same one. That nut right there, I cleaned up. It was all boogered up. I cleaned it up right there with that thread chaser I just showed you. I made that bolt. So, nice little tip. I thought you guys would like it. Super clean, clean the top one the same way, but that's the nut off the other part up here. I haven't replaced this yet, but that's next up. I'm just getting these disc brakes all around right now. So appreciate it. You guys got questions, leave them in the comments. Obviously, I'm a junkyard mechanic, so don't come at me crazy about proper tools and all that. I'm trying to make do and not spend $50 on a thread chaser.